Hi friends, I'm about to make a beet salad and I thought I would show you how I'm going to do it because beets are really cool and they are delicious, and this is such an easy recipe and so healthy for your body. So I'm just going to show you how I'm going to make it. So first you need beets, and here are the beets. I already took the tops off, which was green, and we ate those last night. So these are the beets. I'm gonna boil them in some hot water until they get really soft, and then you just peel the skin off and you chop them up into little pieces. Then, what's that next? What's this called? Yes, an onion. I'm gonna chop that up really small also. Put it in with the beets once they cool. Then I'm going to put in lots of garlic. Garlic is delicious and so good for our bodies. Next, I'm going to put in some red wine vinegar. That is also delicious and super healthy. And then all it needs is a little bit of salt and pepper. And then you have a delicious beet salad. So when I'm all done putting all these ingredients together, I will send a picture, okay? Miss you all. See you soon. Bye.